So hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to a Richard Cut Professional and pretty much easiest haircut, which called topmost layered haircut in searchable topic in this subject, which called the bottom layer haircut. We finally back something new concept after the bottom layer haircut, which can be visible, clean and neat and pretty much uniform, and the kind of texture which you can just say in straight and silky hair. This is ultimately suits haircut for this is, and this haircut especially recommendable for a. So also I'm explaining with the help after the comb as well. So now after that I'm just start one length basic haircut for before go to layering. Just 1.5 inch I'm just merging for giving to the proper creating the basic of bottom layering technique purpose. So one length basic is especially for benchmark which can be given to something like any kind of layer. You can just take as it is as examples, and that is can be starting things which can be fundamental and foundation of all the layering techniques and all. So now after that finally I start to that section by section. First section I'm picking to the center profile, and 60 degree and sliding down my fingers towards the forwarding sections and all hair cutting in one. After that I distribute with all the sections parallelly. In parallel section I just pick exactly thin section and just rest of the hair converting in the bottom layer and 60 degree with gradually each and every strand. So basically this is one of the good haircut and easiest haircut which can be, you can see kind of different haircuts as compared to the mid length to shoulder length hair who wants to carry some uniformity and also they want something bouncy look. This is most probably recommendable haircut. So as a during after the haircut you can just see the pretty much easy to handling the manually. You must be carry forward thin section and strand by strand had just very thin section has to pick and cut according to the layering basis. Should not to pick something like bulky hair and cutting in one time and chopping it's like grass. So that things it will be make to the bulky layers. Instead you can just pick with thin sections and give it with random properly layering techniques and step by step. And so I'll come to another side. With stationary guideline. So this is basically one of the best and easiest way to cut the hair with manually who wants to be something look like uniform layers and clean and little bit bouncy. They want to see in the bottoms and without collapsing any length and kind of multiple stylings purpose also if they're looking, then this is most probably recommendable and most demanded haircut as well. Also willing to be like this haircut for sure, but parallelly with just whatever we're doing. And after that we'll come to the side portion. Before starting the layer we just pick small section and just give into one length basis. After that I pick from stationary guideline from the back and rest of the hair converting the layers. So when we'll come to the side portion, have to be take sections like vertical sections. In the back you may can just pick from parallel sections, by when you can come to the side portions pick as vertical sections. And finally I'll come to another side. The last section is going to be finishing. Before start to the layering as it is following the one line basic, complete after the sections and giving to an even and clean look. After that I pick from stationary guideline from the back, rest of there adding into the bottom layer. So basically this haircut, it will be most probably be done something like long back. After that finally it's same this subject. This is most probably audience demandable haircut videos. And please let me know in the comments below if you want to something different haircuts, and please mention to the what kind of haircut you're looking forward for next video. Please mention in the comments. I'll definitely look it forward and hope so you all are like this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button. Minimum 500 likes expecting for these videos. So overall the cut will be finished. I'm just giving to the messy blow dry before starting to blow dry. I'm showing here completely after the proper finishing, and finally I'll start with blow dry over all the section by sections. And each and every haircut I used to take with spiral blow dry seams, which can be, this is one of my best and convenience to the blow dry. And you may can just see the Maramax, it's he used to do with the unique techniques, which is master, the greatest master for straight blow dry. In my case, if you can just take, I'm just completely consistently used with spiral blow dry. And the same thing customers also will be expect, and the end duration of finishing they are also happy. The haircut delivers also will be comes out very well, and all the needs in one place finish it out. So that's why I'm just always picking from spiral blow dry. This is styling part techniques and most demandable styling techniques, and after the styling for any kind of client haircut also will be definitely will visible very clean and neat as well. And that is my techniques which can be give to the client hair with something look like bouncy and clean and neat look. And end of the day they are very much happy with these techniques of the blow dries. And of course after the stylings each and every client must be happy. Each and every strand we can just give it proper blow dry without compromising, so then can be finishing will be visible clean and glossy finishing that can be make something it's for like explore to something like boom look with and bouncy layers. So in that will we can just finish it out with something like clean and messy volume look. So in that case itself it will be customers also can be impressed their own look by the style. So that is my unique technique, and this technique I'm just used with consistently with each and every haircut, but by the models only. In the models if you can see my dummy haircuts, I just finish the haircut and just give it to the messy blow dry and winding up the complete of the sessions. But when you can come to the models, I'll just give nice finishing after the blow dry, and after that I give to the texture and will be wind up to the haircut completely. These process which can be consistently when I'm doing, the customers also will be very much impressed, and the haircut is going on something like a clean and neat finishing as well. So hope you all understand this what I informed you as the during the complete techniques up to the haircut. So overall this is my final look, and you may can just see the bottom layers was flowing with very much flexible and clean and neat, and each and every layer was connected, and that's looking so amazing and boom look and blushy look as well. And after that I just go to it finishing with the texture finishing. The texture will be haircut will be finished, and that will be a final look. So hope you all are understand and enjoyed the video. I hope so. If you really like the video, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Really like the video, please hit the like button. And this is complete up to the final look, which you can see from the back. And now after this we can just come to the forward as well. Now you can see that from the front was looking amazingly. So this is called a unique technique after the layering, which can be providable in the bottom layers with none of fringes. So hope you all understand the video and enjoyed too. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.